Attention home business entrepreneurs. New discover the embarrassing truth of how I went from broke, frustrated, and working at 9 to 5 jobs to now making multiple income streams on complete autopilot without having to sell or pick up the phone. This simple freedom warriors for beginners, how to earn $250 or more starting at just $7. So, start small, earn big even as a beginner. How to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours or less. Stop wasting time on confusing systems. Start earning real commissions now. What if I told you that even at the $7 level, you still could earn 50% commissions on every sale and even 250 or more when someone upgrades, even if you haven't leveled up yet or bought the more expensive system. So no complicated setups, just plug in and start earning 50% commissions no matter what level you're on. A system built for beginners, no tech skills, no paid ads needed. This Simple Freedom Warriors is a system that lets any beginner start earning immediately. Now smash that like button and stay locked in. This is about to change everything. Now I've been in make money online affiliate marketing industry for about 12 to 13 years, and I know how frustrating it is to start from scratch. Too many programs require huge upfront costs. There's complicated systems that make beginners quit before they even ever see results. No real duplication, so people struggle to grow their income. Now, I was in this, I don't know, merry-go-round roller coaster of making money online for about 12 to 13 years. Sometimes I make money, sometimes I don't. I crash, and the crash isn't as fun as a roller coaster, I'll tell you that. So, I finally realized that I need to find the right mentor and the right system and master that before I move on to multiple streams of income. And then, it's a want. It wasn't a need. And on November 20th, my wife Felicia was hit by a car. She had a fractured neck, broken femur, subdermal hematoma, multiple surgeries. So as you can see, this is written from my son's point of view, Israel Saleh. Okay, and she's gone through months and months of rehab, relearning basic motor functions. I knew I needed a real solution fast. That's when I found Justin Temple and Simple Freedom Warriors, the system that finally gave me the financial freedom I've been chasing for years. And this isn't just about making money. It's about securing a future for my family and ensuring we never have to worry again. Smash that like button if you know the struggle. Let's talk about how beginners win with the system. But before I do, I want you to realize that just starting a GoFundMe isn't enough. $445 in over 6 months, okay? So we still have huge bills. Now, I don't know if you can relate to getting hit by a car, but you can relate to life is going to life. No matter what, you're going to have car accidents or, car payments that are, through the roof, or your car needs to be repaired. The radiator goes out, Things are going to happen. Your tire blows, So, but even if everything goes perfectly, and if you have extra money for surprises and life in, you probably don't want to be working till you're 65, 70, or 75. And if you can't make it work now, how are you going to make it work when you retire for 40% of what isn't enough now? So Simple Freedom Warriors is built for speed. Any beginner can get started in an hour or less. Here's exactly how to get started. Create your account lock in for $7. And start earning 50% commissions immediately. This is how to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours or less. Welcome, new affiliate. Here is the fastest way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want you to help make money before you start spending money. Sound fair? Follow the steps below to the letter and you might get your first 2 sales to break even. Now, we cannot guarantee results. Your results will depend on how big your current audience is and your work ethic. And do you follow the system? Do you stay consistent? Now, people with 5,000 friends may get more leads, but that doesn't mean your current audience size matters. So we have a done for you link that you can plug into even if you don't have enough money for your tools, okay? Leverage free traffic strategies, YouTube rankings, organic leads, and passive duplication to build your income. Scale using house money. Earnings fund your upgrades, like the gamblers do it. No personal spending, extra spending required. Watch duplication work for you. Your referrals follow the same process, building massive, passive, instant commissions for you. This is hands down the simplest affiliate system. Smash that like button and comment if you're ready to launch. Now I want to show you real YouTube rankings, okay? So we're going to try Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority, okay? Let me exit the drawing and let me see if this works. Okay, as you can see, I am not signed in. This is real rankings, okay? And this is an ad, so it doesn't count. I'm only going to name rankings for our team, okay? The other ones I'm skipping, okay? Affiliate Mentor Postcard Review by Traffic Authority. This is a whole playlist, okay? Ranked number 1. Then number 2 is me. Make Money Online JJ, Affiliate Mentor Traffic Authority Review. And then there's an ad. Here's a third one. Here's a fourth one. Here's another ad. And look at this. He's 3 of the top shorts. Okay, so this was the first one that isn't on our team. Okay? Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. And another Postcard Lifestyle video. Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. So you can see that we're dominating Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Make Money Online with JJ. We're dominating Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. The rankings for this keyword. Here's another one, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle, Postcard Lifestyle. Here's another one by Brian. Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle, Make Money Online with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Brian Zittleman. We are dominating YouTube for these keywords, and you can do it for any keywords. Once you learn the system, you can duplicate it, okay? Teach a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man a fish, you feed him for a lifetime. And here's business and marketing with Fanchon. Make Money on with JJ. And we'll try a different keyword, okay? So you can see this is Greg Chambers. So we'll type in that since it's life is lifing right now. Greg Chambers, okay. Okay, and the first video after the ad is me. Make Money on with JJ. Make Money on with JJ. Another ad. Make Money on with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money on with JJ. Make Money on with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Make Money on with JJ. This is real rankings. You can see I'm not signed in for, if you type in Affiliate Mentor Greg Chambers, this is what you're going to see. Make Money on with JJ. Make Money on with JJ. Make Money on with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money on with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. You may see my first video that I made with this training. I ranked 3rd and 5th. And I've been ranking every single video. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money on with JJ. This is real rankings. You can dominate YouTube rankings for this, and so can your team. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money on with JJ. Mr. Orange Dream. All our team. Make Money on with JJ. See? You can dominate. You can follow our strategy. Michael De La Cruz. Okay? This is real rankings. This is real proof that this works. Simple Freedom Words is ranking on YouTube. High traffic keywords. Organic leads flowing in. Jumping inside the back office. Step-by-step training. Let's go jump in and see what happens. Okay? And this is the get started phase, the build phase, okay? There's no cookie cutter training, okay? And we're going to be adding a lot more in there. And if that works, okay, you could sell all these things, the DFY Vault, the Inner Circle, the Elite Marketer, the Traffic Index, the duplication formula. And guess what? The duplication formula is $3,000 by itself. If somebody pays $3,000, you get $1,500, even if you are at the build phase, okay? Where else are you going to see that, okay? Your downline follows the exact same path, ensuring duplication at scale. This system isn't just making money, it's dominating YouTube and driving conversions effortlessly. Smash that like button if you love transparency. Let's keep going. Here's how the levels work. So, our entry level is the build phase, okay? The DFY Vault, $30. That's a $30 instant commission, by the way. These are levels that what you get for your 50%. Inner circle, you get 30 bucks, okay? Yeah, 50 bucks, sorry. The elite marketer, okay? You get $300 commission. Traffic Rolodex, you get 1,000, okay? And the duplication formula, you get $1,500, okay? Sound pretty good? Again, here's the secret that changes everything. Even if you're at the $7 level, you still earn 50% commissions on upgrades, including $250 or more when someone goes all in. No waiting weeks for commission. These are instant payouts to whatever payment processor you want. PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, we got you. Tron, you want to get paid in gold, silver, it doesn't matter. You want to get paid at Walmart and Walmart, we're good with that too. This is why online marketers are jumping into Simple Freedom Wars. It just makes sense. Drop a comment if it blows your mind. Let's talk about scaling fast. Okay, I want to show you how this exactly is working for me. Okay, as you can see, I filled this board. I made a $50 commission from this when I filled this board. All these sponsors look like John Solly, right? That's me. Hey, and I got another one. This was all in about 10 days, 7 different sales, okay? And I want you to pay attention to Cheryl, Hannah, and Bobby Nation, okay? Look at this. I helped my team. This is Cheryl. I gave her 2 sales. Sponsor, John Solly, right? And Bobby gave him 2 sales as well, okay? I do help my team. Invest $7. That's 0 risk, okay? Spend $7, and this is what your system funnel will look like once you upgrade and make your own, okay? But from now, we'll use the default funnel, and it's right here, okay? If you only start at $7 and you don't have the tools to make your own, to get your own autoresponder, get your own funnel set up, you're good. We got you. You earn commissions immediately. Use your profits to level up. Your team duplicates the process. You could build any system with this training, okay? Massive, passive, instant income. When someone upgrades, you win, no matter what your rank is. This is how smart marketers scale without spending their own money. Smash that like if this strategy makes sense. This is next level training, people. Stop wasting time. Start earning now. Stop struggling with complicated systems. Stop wasting time figuring it out all alone. Launch your Simple Freedom Warriors set up now and start earning. Start for $7, 0 risk, only upside. Earn 50% commissions at every level, okay? Leverage house money, scale your income without personal spending. Massive, passive duplication. Your team grows effortlessly. Click the first link in the description and join now. Text me at 775-460-7938. Tell me you're ready to start with Simple Freedom Warriors, and let's build your empire today. So let's recap. You start at $7. There's no risk. Massive upside. Can you even buy a cappuccino venti? You can buy a combo meal at McDonald's for $7, okay? You earn 50% commissions on every level you qualify. You win when your team upgrades, even if you haven't upgraded yet. You scale effortlessly with built-in duplication. This system is built for long-term success. No ad spend, no guesswork. This is Simple Freedom Warriors for beginners. How to earn $250 more starting at just $7. This is John Solly, aka JD Solly, aka Yo, friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get what Jay did today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.